In a powerful show of international cooperation and commitment to healthcare transformation, Ghana and Italy are once again standing shoulder to shoulder in pursuit of a better future for Ghanaians. In a significant meeting held in Accra, the newly appointed Minister for Health, Honorable Kwabena Minta Akandoh, welcomed a high-level delegation from the government of Italy. The focus of the meeting was nothing short of monumental, an ongoing collaboration aimed at retooling 37 selected public health facilities across the nation. Before we dive deeper into today's update, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support is key to helping us grow and reach more viewers like you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on exciting updates. A project that was first initiated back in 2021, this healthcare upgrade initiative is now advancing with renewed vigor and support, bolstered by strong diplomatic ties and a shared vision of improved health outcomes for the people of Ghana. As the discussions unfolded, it became clear that this wasn't just about new equipment. It was about changing the face of healthcare in Ghana. The heart of the meeting centered on a concessional loan agreement proposed by the Italian government, an agreement that would provide the critical funding needed to carry out this ambitious project. But this isn't just any financial deal. It represents a partnership built on trust, shared goals, and a commitment to ensuring that Ghanaians, no matter where they live, can access high-quality, modern healthcare. The stakes are high, lives depend on it, and both governments know that the time to act is now. Minister Akandoh did not hold back in expressing his appreciation for Italy's unwavering commitment to Ghana's healthcare agenda. His words carried both gratitude and urgency. For him, the collaboration could not have come at a more critical time. As Ghana continues to emerge from the challenges brought on by global health crises and economic uncertainties, strengthening the country's health systems has become not just a priority, but a necessity. The minister laid out a comprehensive vision that reflects the government's broader strategic objectives. Beyond the 37 hospitals being retooled, plans are already underway for the construction of 6 additional regional hospitals in the newly created regions. These new facilities will expand access to quality healthcare for populations that have historically been underserved. And it doesn't stop there. The government also has its eyes set on upgrading existing regional hospitals, making them more efficient, more responsive, and more capable of meeting the complex health needs of the population. But one of the most ambitious and forward-looking projects announced by the minister was the proposed establishment of a 500-bed Children's and Fertility Center of Excellence. This facility is envisioned to be a game changer, offering specialized care for children and couples facing fertility challenges, groups that often lack access to dedicated healthcare services. It is a bold step and one that speaks volumes about the government's intent to leave no one behind. As the Italian delegation, led by Director General for Development Cooperation Stefano Gatti, took the floor, they brought with them a message of reassurance. Italy is not just interested in starting this project, they are committed to seeing it through. Mr. Gatti confirmed that all the technical groundwork has been completed. The concept notes, the pre-feasibility studies, and the final feasibility studies have all been reviewed and approved by Ghana's Ministry of Finance. The road has been paved, the blueprint is clear, and now both countries are moving closer to the implementation phase. It is a crucial moment, one that signals the beginning of real change on the ground. This is more than an infrastructure project. It is about equipping hospitals with modern medical tools that can save lives, that can detect diseases early, and that can improve the quality of clinical service delivery. It is about replacing outdated and obsolete equipment that no longer serves the needs of the people. The retooling project seeks to breathe new life into these facilities, turning them into state-of-the-art centers capable of handling a wide range of medical conditions. From diagnostic equipment to surgical tools, from intensive care units to maternity wards, no aspect of healthcare delivery is being left out. And yet, as important as equipment is, the project doesn't stop at procurement. One of the standout elements of the plan is the commitment to training. Minister Akandoh was emphatic in his assurance that Ghanaian healthcare professionals will be trained to operate and maintain the new machines. It's a smart move, and a necessary one. Technology is only as effective as the people who use it. By investing in capacity building, the government is ensuring that the transformation is sustainable, that the benefits will last far beyond the initial rollout. The Italian delegation's optimism was matched by a strong sense of purpose. They see this partnership as a long-term investment, not just in Ghana's health sector, but in the lives of everyday Ghanaians. Gatti expressed his hope that the initiative would deliver lasting benefits, helping to bring Ghana's healthcare infrastructure in line with international standards. It's a vision that resonates deeply with what many citizens want: timely, quality, and affordable healthcare that doesn't require them to travel long distances or face unnecessary delays. But perhaps the most compelling part of this entire story is the human impact. Behind every hospital that gets retooled, there's a mother who won't have to worry about whether her child will receive proper care. There's an elderly patient who will finally have access to life-saving treatment. There's a community that will feel safer, more secure, knowing that their local health center is equipped to handle emergencies. The ripple effect is enormous. Better healthcare means healthier people, and healthier people mean a stronger, more productive nation. It is easy to underestimate the scale of this undertaking, but the numbers speak for themselves. 37 hospitals, each undergoing a major transformation, 6 new regional hospitals in the pipeline, a 500-bed center of excellence that promises to elevate pediatric and fertility care. These are not small wins. They are significant milestones that represent progress, ambition, and a deep-seated desire to build a better Ghana. What also stands out is the government's willingness to think beyond the immediate. This is not just about fixing what's broken. It's about building a system that is resilient, forward-thinking, and inclusive. It's about laying the foundation for a healthcare network that can withstand future challenges, whether they come in the form of pandemics, population growth, or shifting disease patterns. That level of foresight is both commendable and necessary in today's world. And let's not forget the role of international diplomacy. In a time when many countries are turning inward, focusing on their own domestic issues, it is refreshing to see a partnership that transcends borders and prioritizes the greater good. The collaboration between Ghana and Italy is a shining example of what can be achieved when nations come together with shared values and common goals. It's a reminder that we are all connected, and that the challenges of one country can be the concern of another, not out of obligation, but out of solidarity. As the meeting concluded, the mood was one of cautious optimism. There is still work to be done. Agreements need to be finalized, logistics must be coordinated, and the implementation phase must be carefully managed. But there is momentum, there is political will, and there is a clear understanding that this is an opportunity that must not be missed. Ghanaians have every reason to feel hopeful. For years, issues of inadequate equipment, poor infrastructure, and lack of access have plagued the health sector. But change is coming, with the continued support of partners like Italy and with a government that is prioritizing healthcare as a pillar of national development. The future looks brighter than ever. So as the dust settles on this important meeting, what remains is a sense of purpose, a promise of progress, and a renewed commitment to ensuring that every Ghanaian, regardless of where they live, can receive the quality healthcare they deserve. This isn't just a policy on paper, it's a vision in motion. And if all goes according to plan, it will transform the lives of millions. If you found this update inspiring and believe in the power of healthcare to change lives, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on more stories like this. Stay tuned for more in-depth reports on Ghana's transformation right here.
If today is your first time watching this channel or you are returning to this channel for the exciting content, please subscribe to the channel for more educative and developmental projects across Ghana and Africa as a whole. Do you want to know about the state of a project in Africa? Then make sure to like and comment the name of the project you would like us to talk about and its current state.